Hey Chris, this is Charles. Or Val, I'm not sure who this is going to go to, but I just wanted to shoot a short video giving you guys 3 tips to help you guys rank highest, like whenever anyone searches for seal coating or asphalt maintenance, they should be finding you on the front page if they're searching in the locations that you service. So the first thing I want to go over, the first tip is content. Just looking at your website here, I like the pictures, but just to optimize your front page for Google, the recommended amount of words are between 1,000 and 1,500 of authoritative content. And the reason is Google searches all websites, and excuse me, and general rule of thumb is 1,000 to 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. By keyword, I mean the kind of words that people are going to type in, the buyer intent words that people type into search for your business or for whatever you're doing. For example, asphalt maintenance, Hazelton. That's a keyword. So just taking a look at some of your competitors' sites. Like I found this guy, Edwards All County, paving and seal coating. I can see they have about maybe 200-300 words. There's another competitor, Asphalt Systems, that serve Hazelton. They also don't have, well, they do have a bit of content, probably the same as you, between 300 to 400 words. So first thing you can do is, here's another competitor, same thing, maybe 3,400 words. So in terms of content, you're able to beat them pretty easily if you just add some more content. Everything on your on the front page is content, meaning even this picture here. Let's see, any pictures, anything that pictures are saved as is content. For example, let me see here, Standard Speaker Reader's Choice Awards. You can see its name is 22. It's not a relevant name for that picture. Now, if you had saved it, it's preferable to save it with a relevant keyword, something to do with your asphalt maintenance, something that you do, so that Google recognizes it and ranks you higher. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, when you search on Google for, let's say, asphalt paving Hazelton, first thing you see are these ads, Google ads. These are paid for ads. These generally are not very they're generally expensive. You can range all the way up to $40 a click. So your competitor can literally come here and click on this and cost you a lot of money. Also, these days, a lot of people have ad blockers, which would completely block these ads for them. So these people here are missing out on all the customers who have ad blockers. But with citations, let's come down to this part here, the second part in Google. You'll see 3 businesses under the map. This is what's known as the NAPBAC: name, address, phone number. Citations are basically where your business is cited all over the internet. So for example, Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, etc. The more citations you have, the better it is for you. I took the liberty of putting in a competitor of yours, Next Generation Construction, into this tool I have called Bright Local. It pulls out all the live citations that they have. They have about 24 citations. So that means their business is listed 24 times here on all these different directories. Now, what I would do was just simply go to this directory, Facebook or Bing or wherever you are on Merchant Circle, and add your company into here. You can match the number of citations, but obviously, in business, you want to completely dominate. So I would even double or triple. I would say get 80 citations across the web. That way, you're going to rank high in citations. And the last thing I want to talk about, the third thing I want to talk about, is backlinks. Now, what backlinks are, I'm trying to pull up your website again. What backlinks are how the internet is just a connection of different websites. Any website linking back to you is known as a backlink. And I have this tool called Ahrefs, which helps me find out more about websites. So you can see here, you don't have a lot of backlinks at all. Looking at your competitor, that same guy, Next Generation Construction. When I Google for asphalt maintenance, this guy ranks higher, and one of the main reasons is because he's got a lot more backlinks than you. 10 domains give him about 44 backlinks. Now, if you click on organic keywords, these are the keywords. Next Generation Construction, that's one keyword that's placing him in the 6th position. About 40 people a month search for that. Now, if we can rank better with more keywords, you're probably gonna beat him it's gonna be very easy to beat someone like this, Next Generation. There's another person I saw, Guardian Driveway Maintenance, 2 referring domains, 6 backlinks. Now these guys are beating you on they're on, I believe, the 2nd or 3rd page. Let's go back to our search on Google. There's Asphalt Systems. See, a lot of these are directories, but I'm looking for actual websites. Here they are, Garden Driveway Maintenance, but this is just a Facebook page. If you go to page 2 of Google, where did I find them? In any case, they're either on page 2 or, okay, let's see this guy. This is an ad. There are tons of ads for asphalt, so I think it should be very easy. It shows me that people are paying for ads, probably people who don't know much about SEO because they want to appear here first. What we would do is come here to your Seal King and increase the number of backlinks. I mean, I'm talking about if your highest competitor here, let's see, Next Generation, he has 10. Let me see the backlinks again. Sorry, just 1 second. If they have about 10 backlinks, that's pretty easy to beat. We're definitely gonna destroy them. Here they are. Overview. Yeah, if they have 44 backlinks, we could probably get over, I don't know, 80 backlinks. Therefore, whenever anyone is searching for you guys, you're gonna find. And I believe that if more people are clicking on you in Google, the better results you're gonna get. One thing I forgot to mention with backlinks. You see, if I search asphalt paving Hazleton, first results, like I said, are usually ads. This is page 3, so let's go to page 1 of the search. Usually ads, then you have your map pack here, then you have organic results. These organic results here. The first few are directories like Angie.com, Home Advisor, but then there's this Asphalt Systems. We want to be able to beat this guy. We want to be able to come here and be the first one that people see so that they click on you. They say about 70% of people choose their services from these first 3 organic searches. So that would mean, I mean, I don't know how many customers you get per month, but imagine having an extra 5 or 6 new customers every month. That would be good, I think. Yeah, so that's it. Those are the 3 things I wanted to mention. Backlinks, citations, and your content. And these things, if I don't know who's doing your website, but if you can get them to beef up your backlinks, beef up your content, and beef up your citations, I'm sure you'll be ahead of the game. If you want to work with me on that, I'm more than willing to sit down, talk about it, see if you want to change your website a little bit, put in the different locations that you work at. I know you want to expand more. Yeah. So I just see a few tweaks we can do, but I just also want to just give you guys a few hints. So, give this over to your website guy, have them go through this video, and hopefully you'll get more business. All right. Talk to you later.